It is time for another graduated bob. So the very first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a center section down the middle of the back, and then I'm going to take a 45-degree angle section to start cutting in my graduation. Now, you can see it's longer at the occipital bone, but as my fingers work their way down towards the neck, it gets shorter and shorter. So I want more length at the occipital bone and tight, short length by the neck. Now, I'm going to continue to take pie-like sections, combing the hair, the current section to the previous section, so that previous section can be my guide to the current section, and we're going to go through and cut in the graduation here in the back, and then I'm going to do the right side first, and once I'm done, then we will do the graduation on the left side. Alright, so as you can see, the graduation's all done on the right side. Now it's time to do the exact same thing on the left side. So taking pie-like sections, 45-degree angle, holding my fingers so that it's longer at the occipital bone, shorter at the neck. We're going to do the exact same thing that we just did on the right side to the left side. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking the points of my scissors and just chipping in the desired outline that I'm looking for. So I'm going to do this throughout the outline on the right side and the left side, as well as the center back. Alright, so we are all done with this graduated bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so very much again for watching.